Clean data is essential for AI and analytics. The Data Validator module ensures datasets meet standards through schema validation, missing value management, and logging. It empowers developers and analysts, boosting confidence in data integrity. As part of the GOD framework, it maintains data quality, forming a reliable foundation for other modules. Purpose: the Data Validator simplifies data validation and pre-processing, ensuring clean and complete datasets for downstream tasks. Key functions include schema validation, check if datasets adhere to specific structures. Missing value handling, automate missing data strategies like mean, median, mode imputation, or row dropping. Error detection and logging, track data quality issues for improved debugging. Pre-processing, prepare data for other AI pipeline modules. Key features: custom schema validation, define column names and data types for dataset validation. Flexible handling of missing values, utilize strategies for imputation or row removal. Data type validation, ensure columns conform to expected types like numeric or datetime. Comprehensive logging, monitor validation progress with detailed logs. Easy integration, seamlessly integrate with Python-based pipelines for pre-processing. The Data Validator ensures datasets in the GOD framework are clean, reliable, and structured. Data quality assurance acts as a defense against data issues. Enhanced performance, supplies validated data to improve efficiency. Error minimization, detects issues early to prevent workflow disruptions. Future enhancements, advanced validation rules, include multi-column validation for complex checks. Automated anomaly detection, identify outliers using advanced techniques. Big data support, ensure compatibility with platforms for larger datasets. Data transformation pipelines, integrate transformation rules during validation. Interactive visualization, provide tools for data validation insights. API integration, develop a REST API for cross-platform validation. The Data Validator is crucial for AI and analytics, guaranteeing datasets meet standards. Its schema validation, flexible missing value handling, and robust logging are essential for data pipelines. Upcoming features aim to address future data management challenges. Start using the Data Validator to enhance data workflows and ensure AI quality.